The U.S. government has seized hundreds of millions of dollars worth of assets from Sam Bankman-Fried and a whole lot more, guys. We got a lot to cover today. But first, let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now sitting over $17,000. You've probably seen the past couple of days, we've been having a little bear market rally. And I will say the altcoins have been pumping. Solana has been doing very well. Take a look at this chart. ICP has also been pumping very well. Near has also been pumping very well. We're seeing a lot of these altcoins pumping really hard. Same with Ethereum Classic. Basically, all the altcoins that got absolutely crushed are now pumping super hard. Literally just because Bitcoin moved up like, what, 1.5% or something like that. This is a tiny move, but it's really revealing for what's going to come. I know most of you guys here were probably here for the bull market, but when things get moving, things get moving. And it's incredible to see how Bitcoin can just move a tiny bit and the altcoins start to get red hot. And then take a look at the Bitcoin mining stocks. Mara has been absolutely killing it. I know it's hard to tell because it got crushed so bad, but absolutely insane. Up almost 20% on the day. Riot has been absolutely killing it. Almost up 15% on the day. And Coinbase up over 15% on the day. Guys, there's a whole lot of stuff going on here. And yeah, into our first of the day, take a look at this. The U.S. government officially seizes Sam Bankman-Fried's $455 million worth of Robinhood shares. Now, we know that Sam Bankman-Fried was trying to get these shares, but the U.S. Department of Justice, the U.S. government said, nope, not getting it. And that's what it is. And I think this is definitely the correct decision. Now, the real question is, what is actually going to happen to these shares? But let's take a little bit deeper into the story right here. Shout out Watcher Guru. As it says here, earlier Delaware court filing reports from January 6 revealed that SBF was seeking access to his $455 million worth of Robinhood shares. SBF wanted access to his $455 million Robinhood shares to cover his legal fees. Now, according to latest reports, the DOJ, Department of Justice, has officially seized the Robinhood shares of SBF. And yeah, it basically just talks about it. And yeah, he's not going to be getting his shares, which I think is the right thing. But the question is, once again, is what is the U.S. government doing with all this? I mean, God knows. I hope we get to figure it out, but who really knows? And now we're going to be talking about the stock market because there wasn't too much news today. And I was actually at the gym today in the locker room, and I look at the TV, and I see it's like CNBC or like one of those mainstream news. And the guy talking on TV is saying that the stock market's going to have a great year compared to, last year, and that we're actually going to finish higher this year than where we began. And I'm going to be real, that's not the hottest take. And I know everyone's getting kind of really bullish. We've just had a little bit of green. As we take a look at the stock market, and in the stock market too, we've seen, some green. Take a look at this. The dollar has also been coming down too, which has really contributed to the success of the stock market. And Bitcoin, all that liquidity is coming back. A little more liquidity is coming back. But the reality is the Fed has said they're going to continue to raise interest rates. Now, I do think there are some tech stocks, some cryptocurrencies that might have bottomed out already. This is obviously not financial advice. Do your own research. You can have your own fucking opinion. At the end of the day, it's just the Fed controlling the whole game. So it's really what they want to do. But I'm just giving you guys my thoughts. I think there is a possibility we have a pretty good year. I do think we could easily close. I think Bitcoin will probably close higher than what it started in 2023. And same with the stock market too. I do think it's going to be definitely a bear market year in 2023. But I think we're going to start seeing a little bit of a change. And then in 2024, they're going to actually, I think in 2024 is when they're going to start actually loosening things up and bringing down rates. I think 2023 is still going to be pretty tight, but at the end of the day, I do think it's not going to be a horrible year, and I do think this is, the time to go. What I'm liking right now in the stock market, I'm completely transparent on here. What I'm buying up right now, ICP, if you guys know, follow me on Twitter, I'm a huge ICP guy. Love Definity, love what they're doing over there. I work in the ecosystem, all that. I got some Near, and then, down here with the crypto stocks. Once again, this is all not financial advice, but I'm looking at Coinbase right here. And yeah, Coinbase IPO'd super high, and now it's way down here at $38. But if you believe in crypto, and Coinbase, is a publicly traded company, so I don't think they're going to blow up. I mean, they're publicly traded, so they have to go through a bunch of regulation rules and a bunch of other stuff. So I think Coinbase is fine. But if you take a look at this chart, and if you take a look at crypto as a whole, if crypto succeeds, shouldn't this Coinbase stock do very, 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 very well? I mean, very well. It's one of the biggest exchanges in the game, and I don't see how it doesn't do good. In the middle of a bull market, now obviously it's a multi-year play, but Coinbase is probably one of my favorite plays right now. I'm really liking it. And yeah, that's all I got for today. Not too much to say there. And yeah, make sure you guys go subscribe, leave a comment. Go follow me on Twitter. I'm dropping heaters every day on Twitter. And follow me on my socials. And thank you for watching.